randomly rekeying some cylinders. So I have a bunch of these aluminum storefront cylinders that I get called to rekey frequently, and most of the time I convince the customer to upgrade their cylinder, or they need a different keyway. So I'm left with a bunch of these cylinders. However, because I do rekey a lot of storefronts with this kind of cylinder on it, if I'm in a hurry, or if they have sloppy cylinders where they're worn out, I can have a keyed up pair ready to go. Get out of there. Get off there. So we are going to rekey several of these. To new keys to have them ready to go in pairs. Probably have cut one with 4 keys, maybe another one with 6 keys, maybe a few with 4, a few with 6, you know, whatever floats my boat at the time. So I am gonna go ahead and shim these. Friday afternoon, this is my Friday at 5 o'clock task. So I don't have to do it tomorrow, right? Today was mostly uneventful. Did have a few calls that I had to go to. Aside from my Happy Friday video morning thing. They got a birthday party across the street and they're letting the security guard hold the balloon. Why? That's not your job, dude. Your job isn't to play with a bunch of teenagers. Go on now. Ugh. What are you doing? He's just sitting there holding the balloon like 10 feet away from him and just creepily watching him. I'm gonna hope he's related to one of them, but otherwise he's just a security guard. Oh my God, really, dude? Come on, there. Yeah, I could turn my camera around right now and really get homeboy in trouble. He ain't supposed to be hanging out with a bunch of girls taking photos. It's a real popular photo spot across the street because of the color of the wall. Let me get that. Hold on. Hello, your Google listing. It drives me crazy. Freaking automated stuff. Okay, where was I? Okay, security guard went on. Yeah, he's a younger dude. Still too old for them. Not your job, homie. Anyway, Friday night, I'm watching this car that's parked here. Make sure the passenger doesn't scurry off. I'm gonna have to pause the camera again just to see what time it is. I don't know what time it is. Getting close to 5:30, and on Friday the bar does their happy hour, so I gotta put our extra sign out. Extra sign on top of our regular parking only for us. People come in thinking that we close at 5, even though the door's wide open, all the lights are on, signs open. Oh, well, you close at 5, so we're gonna park here. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Let's just go ahead and do the silver ones first.
Thanks for letting us know. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem.
I guess with my reduced mobility, I have to
Yeah.
spot that I find her.
Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Alright. All high did not do so hot, so we're 8, 6, 5, 8, 6. 8. 5, 8, 6. I'm such an asshole. I'm such an asshole. Okay, that works much better. I will be right back with you guys. We'll just do this one as one. That's a good one. 9, 8, 6, 8, 8. 9, 8, 6, 8, 8. Oh my goodness. 9, 8, 6, 8, 8. See, lock and key. Oh, yes, sir. I have not been able to find a key light for it, but I worked on it for a bit, and I have not located a key light yet for it. But I'll be up here some tomorrow as well. So. Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks. Okay, I'm back. So it's gonna be it by itself. So this goes here, and we'll do these two alike. So that's there, that's there. Let's do this one with this one. Puppy! Alright, so we got 3, 3, 3, 8, 5, 5, 7. 3, 8, 5, 5, 7. And this one can be this one. 3, this one is going to be 43644. 4, 3, 6, 4, 4. 3, 6, 4, 4. And lastly, I guess we'll do these to this one. Is 6, 6, 5, 6, 9. 6, 5, 6, 9. 9 being on the tip, I always come in one shorter. Seems to work better. So now if I have stores or several stores that I have to do, I can just, what was this? 6, 6, 5, 6, 9. I can just switch them out if they have the same kind of cylinders. Especially on brand new stores. Where they're just rekeying for contractor lockout purposes. This will make for a easy quick rekey job. Make sure your recessed portion goes on correctly. These silver ones are older because they're using fine thread instead of coarse thread. Talked about it in another video, but I'll show you. Here, here on the older cylinders, we had fine thread, and nowadays they are coming coarse thread. And of course it goes into a aluminum body lock, so if I was a betting man, I'd say the coarse thread may actually do better. It may actually be a improvement, as odd as it seems. Fine thread, soft aluminum. Maybe they made their aluminum softer, so that's their response. That would not surprise me at all. At all. I'm just using a little bit to do this, and then I'm going to come back, tighten them down completely, and then bag them up individually so that they don't get scratched. And so each one will have its own bag. Keys will be in a small bag, and then all of it will be in a even bigger bag, which will keep everything from hurting one another while it rumbles around in the back of the truck for however long it takes to be used.
I do like sometimes using the screw dividers that you can get. Sometimes you can get on some of the brands. You can set the size, which ends up being a perfect size for this right here. But you still kind of have to pad them. What I do is I individually pad them, the ones where I can make up that size. But then I'll put a little piece of paper towel in the bottom, fold it up in the bottom of each one, so that the edges of it don't get, from rolling around or from just the vibration in the vehicle can cause them to rub continuously against each other. And it will cause it to scuff up on the edges, but you don't want. Almost there, guys. I'll go ahead and close this. I'm doing this up front to dissuade the parkers. Got somebody coming up here in a little bit, and bar people are going to steal the spot that person needs. But I do need to go find my screwdriver so that I can come through and tighten all these correctly. Okay, well, to finish that up, I just got this Husky 6-in-1 driver. They had it on sale Home Depot for like $4 or something. And while I don't like 4-in-1 or 6-in-1 drivers, I needed something for in the shop. And this actually, I almost like this one better than the Klein. Shocker. Now, of course, I don't know how long that tip's going to last. But I guess we'll see. Okay, so that'll get all of them tightened up. And then, like I said, I don't have the bags here with me, I don't think. You going to the shoe shop? Going to the shoe shop? That's our parking spot. You'll have to find another spot. Okay, where was I? It's a little tight. That's gonna need some lube. Oh, look at that. Can't over tighten it. So this one may not be able to be used. Whenever there's that kind of problem, I do not sell. Do not sell. So this will have to be a single cylinder rekey, I guess. This one's fine. A little bit more scuffed up, but it can be used comparably. This one's brand new. Oh, now I may touch it up. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. Because I'm not cutting keys for him tonight.
Go give me some.
Yeah.